Okay, here I go again, book connectors, always trying something different. Come on in so I can tell you all about it. But first, hello, book connectors. Welcome or welcome back to the Book Connection. I am your host, Blue-Eyed Black Devil, and this time I am here to present a new feature, and it's just going to be simply titled Question. I'm going to post a question, and I want your answers. It's just something I think is fun and a little on the lighthearted side, so we'll get to know a little bit more about each other. And with that being said, when you respond, only share what you care to. No more, no more. Just only share what you care to. And if you don't care to respond at all, that's your right to do so as well. And also, I'm not going to ask a question if I can't answer it for myself. So like today, the first day, the question is, in the English language, what is, okay, let me see how I want to word this. In the entire English language, which is the only language I speak fluently, what is your favorite word? What's your favorite word? For me, my favorite word is why. W-H-Y. Those three little letters, when combined, that's a pretty powerful or comprehensive word. Why it's my favorite, I don't know, but I believe it goes back to my birth. I keep saying I'm going to do a video about myself. I haven't yet, but maybe I'll get around to it before too long. But yes, why is my favorite word. Is very comprehensive, or it can be something simple. So that's my word. So yes, if you all skip this video, feel free to give me your favorite word so we can all converse. It's just my objective for this feature, like I said a minute or so ago. It's just for us to learn a little bit more about each other and for the engagement of it all. So that's all I have for this go around. Just remember, the question of the day again is, what is your favorite word in the English language? Okay, and everyone, please, I just want to thank you again for being subscribed if you are subscribed. And if not, feel free to subscribe. Visitors, thank you for watching the channel. I appreciate you. Even if you don't become a member, thank you for at least visiting the channel. And everyone, please do not forget to like, share, comment respectfully, and if you think you're subscribed, please check to make sure you are still subscribed. And if not, just have to resubscribe. Unfortunately, that's all I can say. And then once you are subscribed, everyone, please do not forget to make sure your notification bells are not only turned on, but set to off, so you'll know every time and in some cases probably the powers that be, will upload. And you'll know every time I upload a video. And with all of that being said, book connectors, remember this. As long as there are books around, there is always something to read. And until we read again, book connectors, be safe out there. Have a wonderful week or work week. Enjoy yourselves. And God bless.